Get up! We have to keep moving! Just a little further.
Okay, viewers, today I'm back with another amazing Stickman niche that has huge viral potential. Trust me, this is one of the best Stickman content ideas you can start right now. If you've watched my previous videos, then you already know how engaging and high quality these videos can be. But today's tutorial is even more special because I'm going to show you two completely free AI tools, one for generating images and another for creating videos. First, open YouTube and search for the channel Mr. Sticky. As you can see, this channel has around 470k subscribers, which is already impressive. But what's even more exciting is its estimated monthly earnings around 11.6k per month. Now let's take a look at the channel's most popular videos. You'll notice that the top videos have 3.4 million views, 3.3 million views, and many others have crossed 2 million views as well. This clearly shows that this style of Stickman content is highly engaging and currently trending on YouTube. Another great thing about this channel is that it doesn't focus on just one topic. Instead, it creates Stickman videos on different themes and storylines, which keeps the audience interested and helps the channel gain consistent viral views. You can scroll through the uploads yourself and notice that almost every video has received hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. I highly recommend spending a few minutes analyzing this channel carefully. Let me show you the master prompt that I've prepared for you. You'll find this master prompt in the video description below. This time, I've made it much more detailed than before. I've included everything you need to create complete Stickman videos from start to finish. Inside the prompt, you'll find 10 ready-to-use story ideas, a complete story generation section, scene-by-scene breakdowns, character consistency instructions, title generation. First thing you need to do is copy step 1, then open Claude AI. Once you're inside Claude AI, paste step 1 and simply choose any title from the list of 10 story ideas. For this tutorial, I'll select the first military story. After that, I'll also copy step 2 and paste it below. Now click Generate. Claude AI will automatically select the story idea, create a professional title, generate a complete story summary, and even produce a scene-by-scene breakdown. Once that's finished, I'll copy the remaining steps, step 3, step 4, and step 5, and paste them into Claude AI as well. Within seconds, Claude AI generates everything I need. Image prompts, video prompts, voice-over prompts. The best part is that the prompts are extremely detailed and professionally written. You'll also notice that Claude first generates a character prompt. This character prompt is very important because you'll use it in every single scene to keep your character consistent throughout the story. When it comes to writing prompts for images, videos, and voice-over generation, Claude AI does an outstanding job and saves a huge amount of time. Now it's time to move on to the free AI image generation tool that I promised. Without wasting any time, let's open Manus 1.6 Lite. This is an excellent AI image generation tool. The best part is that it gives you free credits every single day. As you can see, after logging in, I currently have 1,100 credits. And every day the platform refreshes your account with 300 free credits, allowing you to generate a large number of AI images without spending any money. Now I'll copy my first image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. This tool uses GPT-Image 2, one of the latest and most trending AI image generation models currently available. Now let's wait a few seconds while the image is being created. And boom! Oh my god, viewers, just look at this result. This looks absolutely amazing. The quality of the 2D animation is fantastic, and the character design is incredibly clean and consistent. Now I'll repeat the same process for scene 2 all the way to scene 10. I'll simply copy each prompt, paste it, generate the image, and continue until every scene is completed. After generating all the prompts, we'll be able to see the complete visual story. Now take a look at the final results. All of my images are ready. You can clearly see that every scene looks professional, highly engaging, and visually consistent. The character remains the same throughout the entire story, which is exactly what we want for high-quality animated videos. Honestly, the overall quality looks incredible. Now I'll simply download all of these images because I also promised to show you a 100% free AI video generation tool. Once all the images are downloaded, we'll move on to the next step and turn these static images into fully animated videos using a completely free AI video generator. So let's get started with that. Okay, viewers, now it's time for the AI video generation tool that I promised. The tool is called Vibes, and honestly, it's an amazing platform. It's simple to use, produces high-quality animations, and allows you to generate a large number of videos with ease. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Vibes. Once you're on the home page, click Create, then select Start Project or Get Started. Your new project will open in just a few seconds. At the bottom of the interface, you'll see the video option along with Start Frame and End Frame. Click on Start Frame, then upload the AI images that we generated earlier. After uploading all of your images, simply select them one by one. I'll start by choosing the first image. Next, I'll paste the animation prompt, click Generate, and wait a few moments while the AI creates the animation. And look at this result, viewers. Our very first animated video is now ready. The animation quality looks fantastic. It's smooth, engaging, and gives the image a professional cinematic feel. Honestly, I was really impressed when I saw the final result. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll select the second image, paste the prompt, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the second animated video is also complete, and once again, the quality is excellent. You may notice that I'm moving through these steps fairly quickly, and there's a reason for that. Creating videos with Vibes is actually very easy. All you have to do is upload your image as the start frame, paste your animation prompt, and let the AI do the rest. I've already repeated the same process for 3 different images. One great feature of this tool is that it can generate multiple animation variations from a single image, giving you several options to choose from. Another thing I really like is that the platform automatically handles the aspect ratio and keeps everything properly aligned, so you don't have to worry about adjusting the dimensions yourself. As you can see, my third animation is now finished as well, and all of the results look incredibly impressive. Now let me show you one more useful trick. If you download the video directly from Vibes, you may notice that it contains a Meta AI logo or watermark. I know many of you would immediately think that the video isn't completely clean. But don't worry, I have a simple solution. Just click the 3-dot menu on the generated video and select Copy Link. Then go back to Manus 1.6 Lite. Paste the copied video link into the prompt box and simply type, "Please remove the Meta logo and give me a clean video." Then press Enter. The AI will analyze the video and automatically generate a clean version without the watermark. Now let's check the result. As you can see, the Meta logo has been completely removed, and the final video is clean and ready to use. Simply download the finished version, and you're done. Now, one final thing. Our video doesn't include a voiceover yet. For that, simply visit ElevenLabs, generate your narration using any voice you like. I personally recommend using the Alex voice because it sounds natural and professional. Once your voiceover is ready, add it to your video during the final editing stage, and your project will be complete. Alright viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. Today I showed you an amazing viral Stickman niche, a completely free AI image generation tool, and a free AI video generation workflow to help you create high-quality animated content without spending money.